Hi, this is me, Martin, for the second video today for Facebook and YouTube. This morning here in Newport, it was snowing. And everywhere was covered in snow, whereas now, this is the afternoon. You wouldn't have known it had been snowing. It's clear as day. Snow is cleared, sorry. But I've just been outside, to take the washing in, and man, it's cold, it's windy, it's chilly, and everything. Whew. Glad I wasn't out too long, actually. As I said, everywhere was covered in snow this morning, and it was snowing a little bit. Now look at a few hours later. Oops, there's someone coming through the door. I'll just take a pic that way. Yeah. There we go. Sorry if you can hear the dog in the background, that's next door neighbour.